When a runner crosses the finish line, I think it's important for them to understand one of the things that my people will be trying to do is to keep them moving. There's two reasons to keep them moving. There's usually hundreds of people finishing right behind them, and I don't want them to get run over. It's not uncommon for a runner to finish a race and to want to bend down and catch their breath. That's okay, but I have to get them to the side to let them do that, and what I prefer to do though is to try to keep them moving. The second reason to keep runners moving is because that's what's healthiest for them. Right after they finish a race, we don't want them to sit down right away. It's much easier, for example, for them to pass out if they sit down. So we don't want them to sit down. So we try to keep them moving. We'll walk with them. We'll ask them how they're doing. But we do try to say, please keep moving. We're not trying to be rude or mean. We're trying to keep them from getting run over, and we also know that that's the best thing for them. Even on a perfect runner's day, in terms of the weather, runners will still get dehydrated. And so it's critical that they've been hydrating, obviously, for days before the race. And it's critical that they hydrate right after the race and continue to hydrate after the race. It's not uncommon for runners to experience cramps at some point after the race. And so it's also important for them to continue to stretch and to take care of their body that day. It is obviously important for them to rest, but while they're resting, it's not uncommon for them to experience a cramp in their legs. And so just continue to hydrate.